A major topic within our society today is the broken healthcare system. It's easy to see that sickness and disease are on the rise all across America. In fact, Harvard Medical School did a study to compare the United States to the 37 richest countries in the world to see how our healthcare system matches up with the rest. They discovered that the United States spends by far the most amount of money on healthcare a year, approximately $80 to $8,500 per person a year. So if money was the answer to health, wouldn't we be the healthiest country in the world? They also discovered that we take by far the most amount of medications and drugs than any other country in the world. We make up about 5% of the world's population, yet we consume over 75% of the world's drugs. So if money and drugs were the answer to health, we would by far be the healthiest country in the world. Unfortunately, these Harvard medical doctors discovered that we ranked 37th out of 37 of the richest countries in the world. Dead last. We have the most deaths due to heart disease and cancer than any other country in the world. We have the most deaths of children below the age of 2 years old than any other country in the world. Clearly, money and drugs are not keeping us healthy. One way to avoid this sickness trap is to turn to alternative medical treatments, one of which, obviously, is chiropractic. Chiropractors understand that the greatest doctor in the world already lives inside you and is working 24/7 since the day you were born to keep you healthy and healing. By removing nervous system interference through a specific and gentle chiropractic adjustment, we allow this doctor inside of you to further express itself, therefore allowing you to heal and function at an optimal level. Since you cannot rely on the healthcare system to keep you healthy, I think it's about time that you take your health into your own hands. You're responsible for your health. Why not start today? Get yourself adjusted by a chiropractor.